Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to one of Santa's many pop-up workshops. Now, what you see here in front of you are Kris Kringle's very own little helper elves making glass ornaments. Normally when these guys work, they work in larger groups. They really know how to produce, but unfortunately, they don't like to be on camera. And so what you're seeing here today is an incredibly rare sight. These two did not mind being filmed, but when we showed up to the studio, there were about 6 to 8 other elves that decided to take a break when we pulled out the camera. Fortunately for us, they did share their delicious eggnog and cookies. Now, these two very special, lovely little ornaments that you see being made here were designed by none other than Mrs. Claus. This is a new design, just being released this year. In conversation with one of the elves, we found out that the big man up north generally doesn't get in touch with them till about mid-November to place his ornament order. And you may ask yourself, why so late in the game, Kris? Why don't you give the elves a little bit more notice? But apparently the way it works is the big guy up north is enjoying himself all summer long, camping and picking berries. He generally doesn't get in the Christmas spirit till about mid-November, and that's when the elves hear the jingle bells. They get their orders, their shops get started, the furnaces get turned on, and ornaments begin to be made.